Hello, in this video, we will look at solving problems using recursion. If you think recursively, many problems can be solved using recursion. In the preceding videos, we presented two problems. We used two problems to demonstrate how to write recursive functions. All recursive functions have the following characteristics. First, the recursive function uses the conditional statements, if, else. Second, the function has one or more best cases. So when the best cases are true, the function returns. Third, every recursive call reduces the original problem, bringing it increasingly closer to a best case until it becomes that case. In general, to solve a problem through recursion, you break it into subproblems. Each subproblem is almost the same as the original problem, but it's smaller in size. You can apply the same approach to each subproblem to solve it recursively. So let's look at this problem of drink coffee here. You drink a cup of coffee, you keep drinking it until it's finished. So you can use writing this recursive function as follows. If cup is not empty, so now you take one sip and then recursively invoke this function drink coffee from this cup. Let's look at another function here. This is n print ln. So this is the message we're going to print n times. So if n is greater than or equal to 1, so we printed message 1 time. And then we keep doing this recursively, print the message n minus 1 time. So this is done recursively. So let's look at this example here. We have already solved this problem to test if a string is palindrome. What we did in the early chapter for this problem is to use a loop. And we write a loop to test if both ends of the string, the beginning and end, are the same. If they're not the same, so it's not a palindrome. If they are the same, we reduce to a smaller problem. So what we do is to look at the index now, look at the second character matches the second character from the last. So go on. Now we can think about this problem using recursion so we're going to compare the first and last character. If they don't match, and that is the fourth case, it's not a palindrome. So that is one case here. Otherwise, if we have considered everything here, if this string has only one character or less, and then it is palindrome. So these are the best cases. So look at this here. This is one of the best cases is the length, the size of S is less than or equal to 1. That is palindrome. So else, the first character is not equal to the last character. So that means it is false. Otherwise, we're going to reduce the problem to a smaller one here. It is look at the substring from 1 and to the second last one. So look here, moon, noon, A, B, A. So these are all the palindrome, but AB is not a palindrome. That is all for this section. Problem solving using recursion. See you on the next video.